Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're looking out if you can withdraw Sweatcoin from PayPal or Sweatcoin to PayPal, in today's video we are going to find out that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So once you open up your Sweatcoin application, usually you can find your profile in the top left. You need to go ahead and click on that option right there. And then once you click on it, your profile should appear like this on your screen. And within here, you will be finding different options. What you need to look for is look out for the gear icon in the top right corner and select it. If you select it, you will be accessing your settings right here. So we can head over to our help and tap on it. And when we head over to our help, we can go to a Sweat wallet. So you can tap on that or other common queries. And when you do, here you will be finding a question available. You can ask out if you can cash out your Sweat coins to PayPal or your bank account. So you can tap on that option. And when you tap on it, you will see at the moment it's not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. The long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency, and that will be listed on the exchanges, but you cannot wait for this. So you can just go over and instead spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace. So you can open up the Sweatcoin application and look out for a PayPal voucher and purchase the voucher with your Sweatcoins and follow the instructions to redeem it. And that is only the way possible for now. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.